Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some seriously next-level stuff. We're talking about the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. This book is like the ultimate guide to understanding how power works in the real world. And let me tell you, it's full of mind-blowing strategies. We're going deep into two of the most insane laws, Law 11 and Law 12. And trust me, these are game changers. We're talking about how to make people rely on you and how to use honesty, like strategically, to get what you want. If you want to master the art of power, and who doesn't want to be a little bit of a boss, then you won't want to miss this. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to unlock some serious power moves. Alright guys, Law 11, this one's called Learn to Keep People Dependent on You. Now before you freak out, this isn't about being manipulative or anything. It's about being the kind of person that people genuinely rely on, the MVP, the one everyone wants on their team. Think about it, the more indispensable you are, the more power you have. It's like, imagine you're the best Fortnite player in your squad. Everyone wants you on their team, right? They need your skills to win, and that gives you influence. You get to call the shots, make the plans, and everyone listens because they need you to succeed. So how do you become that indispensable person? It's about finding your unique value, that superpower you bring to the table. Maybe you're amazing at problem solving, or you're a creative genius, or you're just the most supportive friend anyone could ask for. Whatever it is, own it, hone it, and make yourself the go-to person for it. But here's the real secret sauce. Always be one step ahead. Anticipate what people need before they even realize they need it. Be the one who's always got their back, who offers solutions before problems even arise. And remember, this isn't about being fake or manipulative, it's about genuinely being valuable and building real relationships where people trust and depend on you. That's where the real power lies. This is next level stuff, but trust me, it works. Okay, let's talk about Law 12. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. Now this one might sound kinda sus, but stay with me. It's all about using honesty strategically, like a boss. Think of it like this. Everyone expects you to be shady, right? Especially in a world where people are constantly trying to outsmart each other. So, when you're genuinely honest, it throws them off guard. It's like a surprise attack, a truth bomb that disarms them and makes them more receptive to your ideas. But here's the key, it's called honesty for a reason. You don't have to go around spilling all your secrets. Pick your moments, choose your battles, and be honest when it counts the most. And here's where the generosity comes in. When you're genuinely generous, it amplifies the effect of your honesty. It shows that you're not just looking out for yourself, you're willing to give something back. Think about it. If you're always trying to win, always trying to get one over on someone, people will catch on. But if you're occasionally vulnerable, if you're willing to give a little to get a little, it builds trust and makes people more likely to let their guard down. Remember, this isn't about being fake or manipulative. It's about understanding human psychology and using it to your advantage. By being strategically honest and generous, you can build stronger relationships, gain people's trust, and ultimately increase your influence. And that, my friends, is what true power is all about. Boom! There you have it. Law 11 and Law 12 of the 48 Laws of Power broken down for you. Remember, these laws are all about understanding how power works so you can use it for good. If you found these insights helpful, hit that like button like it owes you money. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and smash that notification bell so you never miss a video. We've got tons of awesome content coming your way, all about leveling up your life and achieving your goals. See you in the next